Welcome back, students. So let us see one more video for chapter number 1. This will be our last video for chapter number 1. Here what we are going to do, we are going to see a bill based question, bill calculation question, so that all your concepts regarding addition, then multiplication and also other things will be clear. Okay, subtraction is known to us. We have practiced subtraction in the first video. Okay, so this is a bill based question, and this kind of question can again come in the test or in the exam. So let me start. Neerav's mother gave him 100 rupees to buy stationery items. So Neerav was planning to buy something from the stationery, and his mother gave him what? His mother gave him 100 rupees to buy things from stationery items. Okay, fine. Very important. He bought 2 erasers. So Neerav bought what? 2 erasers. 5 pencils. Neerav bought 5 pencils and 2 scales. So Neerav bought 3 things. 2 erasers, 5 pencils and 2 scales. Complete the bill for him. Now, these are all the products that are available in stationery. Neerav bought what? 2 erasers. 2 erasers. Neerav then bought what? 5 pencils. 5 pencils and 2 scales. And 2 scales. He did not buy the sharpener. Now, what is the cost of each scale, students? Rupees 10. What is the cost of each pencil, students? Rupees 8. What is the cost of each eraser, students? Rupees 5. So we have to calculate the bill for Neerav. So let us start. Serial number will contain the numbers 1 to 3. Items will contain name of the item purchased. In our case, it will be eraser, pencil and scale. Quantity means how many? How many erasers? 2 will come here. How many pencils? 5 will come here. How many scales? 2 will come here. Price per item. What is the cost of 1 pencil? What is the cost of 1 scale? What is the cost of 1 eraser? So 1 scale is rupees 10. So we will write here. 1 eraser is rupees 5. We will write here. And 1 pencil is rupees 8. We will write here. Then we will multiply and write the amount that we will see with you. So let us start. What is the first product? Eraser. So sir will put serial number 1. What is the item name, students? It is eraser. Correct? How many erasers? Quantity means how many we purchased. How many erasers? 2. So we have written 2. Correct? What is the price per item? What is the cost of 1 eraser? Cost of 1 eraser is 5. Okay? We will do that later on. Second. What is the second product? Pencil. Say pencil. How many pencils was purchased? 5. So we have written 5 here. What is the price per pencil? Rupees 8. So we will write 8 here. Amount we will calculate at the last. What is the third product, students? Scale. What is the third product? Scale. How many scales were purchased? 2. What is the price of each scale? 10. Okay. Now let us do the calculation. Remember and listen to sir very carefully. For amount, we have to multiply quantity and price. Okay. Because simple. If one chocolate costs 5 rupees, if one chocolate costs 1 rupee, what is the price of 5 chocolates? You will say 5, sir. If one chocolate costs 2 rupees, what is the cost of 5 chocolates? You will say, sir, rupees 10. How you are doing? If one chocolate is of 1 rupee, 5 chocolate is of what? 1 into 5 will be 5. If one chocolate is of 2 rupees, 5 chocolates will be what? 2 into 5 will be 10. if one chocolate is of 3 rupees, 5 chocolate will be what? 3 into 5 is 15. The same thing is going on. How many erasers are purchased? 2. What is the cost of one eraser? 5. So what is the amount for erasers? 2 into 5. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. Correct? Similarly, how many pencils are purchased? 5. What is the cost of one pencil? 8. Read the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 eights will be sorry, 5 eights will be 40. Correct? How many scales are purchased? 2. What is the cost of each scale? 10. So 2 into 10 will be 2 tens are 20. Correct? Now we will find the grand total. Grand total how we will do? We will add all the three amounts. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 4 plus 2, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. So what is the total amount, students? Total amount is rupees 7070. Correct, students? I hope you are able to understand this kind of bill question. I will repeat in short once more. This is the bill. Neerav's mother gave him 100 rupees and he purchased 2 erasers. So sir has written eraser, quantity is 2. He purchased 5 pencils. So sir has written pencil, quantity is 5. He purchased 2 scales. So sir has written scale and quantity is 2. Now price per item. Price of one eraser is rupees 5. So sir has written here. Price of one pencil is rupees 8. So sir has written here. Price of one scale is rupees 10. So sir has written here. How did we calculate amount? Multiply quantity and price. 2 into 5, 10. 5 into 8, 40. 2 into 10, 20. So this is multiplication. And how did we find out the final bill? We had addition of all the three, which was 70. Okay. So this is how, students, a bill based question will be done. So in this chapter, before I finish this chapter, we learned about numbers. We learned the revision of addition, subtraction, multiplication. Correct? We learned about ascending and descending numbers. We learned about a map based question that is very easy to understand. And finally, we learned about a bill generation question where you will be creating the bill. All this was chapter number 1, that is revisiting class 2. All these concepts are based on class 2. We just revise them. So students, that will be all from me. We will see you in the next video with a new chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.